Welcome to the Dinerware training session, Add a Menu Item. Type in your 4-digit PIN at the login screen. This is the order entry screen. You'll see it is blank, so I'll need to add some menu items. To create a new menu item, you'll need to get to the menu section. To do this, touch the Manager button at the top of the screen. This is the Manager screen. Note the 2 columns of buttons. There are full sentences that describe each function. To start a new menu, touch the Menu button. This will take you to the main menu screen. The menu screen also has several commands with complete descriptions. Before we advance, I'll give an overview of the buttons and their functions. Screen categories are general areas of the menu, like appetizers. Item groups are used for sales reporting. You may also use an item group to easily assign one price to all items in that group. Menu items are specific things that define screen categories, like chicken wings. General categories like sauces or meat temperatures are examples of choice sets. Choices are the specific kinds of items within choice sets. So for the choice set sauces, the types of sauces or choices would be barbecue or ranch. Dinerware comes with 3 basic revenue classes: food, beer, and wine. Revenue classes and taxes are used for accounting purposes and will be discussed in another session. This is also the same section where you can design an entire menu, but in this session, I will review how to add a menu item. To learn more about how to design your menu, please refer to the Dinerware Menu Design Guide.